Rowdy! I did my trick.
What?
I missed it.
While we're waiting for this fight to begin, I think I have a birthday.
Hi! Hi! Are you gonna do it again? Are you gonna do it again? I think you might. Are you gonna do it again? Oh! Almost! Almost! Almost!
The turtles eventually call it
Nope,
quits.
you did a half turn.
Returns to its chew toys.
Did you do a half turn? You good with that?
All of it. You did a half roll. You do another roll? You gonna do another roll? You gonna do another roll? Come look at Aki. You gonna do another roll?
Backstage, a
Yeah.
performer by the name of
You gonna do another roll?
preparing to go on stage.
No.
You gonna do another roll? Oh, you. You gonna do another roll? Hi. Oh, almost.
Dressed like a leprechaun, authentic.
He doesn't have one.
He's trying to do a half roll again.
Oh, you're almost there.
You gonna roll over?
Easy, wasn't it?
But his runs are not small. They're just incomplete.
Ah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Just give him his lucky charms back.
Hi.
Hi.
Almost there. Oh, you're almost there. Ooh, you're almost there. Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there. Oh, oh. You're almost there.
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it.
You're gonna do it.
Yes, you are.
Yep, you're gonna do it.
Oh, yay!
Your second roll. Was that fun? I don't know what I did.
I don't know what I did.
Can you come back?
No.
Oh,
I'm traumatized from the first one.
looking at the fan. Lily's not even smiling.
Are you smiling?